Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to morEwish cuisine. Today I'm sharing amazing and authentic recipe of korma. So this is Dehli style korma and today I'm making it with chicken, but you can of course use any other meat as well. I am serving it with some sheerma, but you can have it with some taftan or tandoori naan as well. So let's go and make it happen. So first I'm heating up some cooking oil in a pan, and then I'm adding some whole garam masala, which is bay leaf, cloves, cardamoms, and some peppercorns. So just cook them until they are fragrant. Then I'm adding raw meat, which is chicken right now. As I already said, you can add any other meat as well. Cook for a while, and then I'm adding some ginger and garlic. Then cook this chicken until it's completely changed its color on a medium to high flame. Then I'm adding some seasoning, which is salt, red chili powder, and coriander powder. Mix everything well, and then until the chicken is coated with all the masalas. Then add some water, enough water which we require to cook our chicken, not more than a half cup. Then cover and let it cook until your chicken is almost half done. Then we'll be adding some mace and nutmeg powder and cardamom powder. Mix those powders with the chicken and let it cook on the side until we whip our yogurt, and we need some fried onions as well. So you can just take the fried onion and crush it, or what I did, I just add this fried onion in the yogurt, and with the help of blender I blend it completely so we don't get any bigger chunks of onion. Then I'll be tempering the yogurt mixture, so the yogurt temperature will come to the temperature of the gravy, so when you add the yogurt in the gravy it won't curdle. So start picking up small masala from the cooked chicken and add in the yogurt mixture and mix until it's completely whipped. Then add this yogurt and onion mixture in the chicken, and then cover and let it cook until your chicken is completely tender. Until then the yogurt will release all its water. When your chicken is done, just check if the gravy have extra water, just dry it out and cook on a high flame. Then in the end I'll just add some grounded garam masala, and then cover and put it simmer, and then put it on dum for at least 5 to 10 minutes. And this way your chicken korma is completely done. So here you go, the chicken korma, Dehli style korma is ready to serve. It's authentic recipe, and if you're trying this at home, please let me know how it turned out with you. You can send me pictures on Instagram or on Facebook as well. And if you want to learn something else, let me know, leave me a comment down below, and I will try my best to make it happen for you guys. So once again, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this recipe, don't forget to click on the links to enjoy a lot more recipes like this.